Today, you will learn how to insert audio in Word document. First, place your cursor where you want the audio to appear. Now click the Insert tab, then click Object in the Text section. In the Object window, select Create from File, then click Browse and find your audio file. Select it and click Insert. If you want the audio to stay inside the Word document, leave Link to File unchecked. That way, the file is embedded rather than just linked. For a cleaner look, check Display as Icon. You can also click Change Icon if you want to choose a different icon or change its label. If you leave this option unchecked, the audio will appear with your default audio player's icon. When you share the document, it may still show that icon, but the audio will play using the recipient's default player. Just double-click the audio file to play it. Now click OK, and your audio file will appear inside the document. To play it, simply double-click the audio icon and Word will open it with the appropriate audio player on your computer. And that's it! If this quick tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe.